Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpuz. Today we are here in Camp Allen. We will go to pay the bill in Baguio Water District. We will pass by Session Road and going to Engineers Hill. So join me and let's go check out the sights and sounds of Baguio. More blessings to all of us. Creative striking Baguio. So we will pass by going down to Upper Market. We will pass by, we'll go up Session Road, we'll pass by SM, Baguio Cathedral. So let's go.
Tempered mo.
Hello everyone, we are now here in SM Baguio. We walked from Camp Allen to going up to Session Road. So we are here. SM. But we will not go inside SM. We will go to Baguio Water District. It's like my mission for today is to pay the water bill. So these are the new e-jeepneys. Looks good. This is NBI. So it's nice to walk. We're gonna cross this road and we're gonna go straight. It will be Victory Liner and Baguio Water District. This is Pag-ibig. And that is Supreme Court of the Philippines. So we are now here in Engineers Hill. There's Caltex, Jollibee, that's Victory Liner. This is the parcel area of Victory Liner. Cargo. And that is the Baguio Water District. So this is, I think, is GSIS. I'm not really sure. So this is it, Baguio Water District.
Hindi siya kinakausap ko kayo. Ba't kayo na kayo?
Hello everybody, we just finished paying, so thank you for joining me in my mission to pay the water bill. More blessings to all of us. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe or comment.